We are live. Ni mbula binaka, ni mata binaka mai na turanga na marama. Dharoko kena ngone lewa bekem ni tau dhako. Nantau wakamuri tu mai na nduin doni pepa ni bisnesi. Na polamata, doni pepa ni kena wasiti ken kina. Doni tukutuku ni kena sangai me bakatura teke na nanta mbula. Baka yantundua, baka bubale. Kau baba ni bena katika na sini kuwa ni tiko batekeo na pulangi unakai solianga baka malo biko na ngona mena kai baka madalo teki kwa kina ukilanya ni na right kumai bike mni sa ndo ba murti ete kumai baka balaba na ngono ni pepa ni sana kile ya tiko ya ke baka iko sengai review bepe ka baka ndua ona bena kata kono baka madalo teki o mante liu ni bera ni tosa tiko na ni robe baka ramateka na sini kuwa binaka tomanda ni kuwa na singa bukelulu na kabitha ni singa ni pulo rosa nga bulu kanto ni singa ni pulo me o bambula tukaningo na sani buru ai Canada na evango lia o ngone ni nabuni mono berata te lebu ko bakawati roti kango soli o tikaningo na bono Alberta Canada usama I vingarabi tiko ke pakanto na caregiver au zaka tele tunga mai nonda na lomani tini pakata na mbaki zaka mai ba ngasni buli ni ber ni ngole mai na teni borugorango ni kuwa usa surete tiko nongo bulani ni ngandra tiko me mai biwasi manda weekenda na buku ni nona business journey kai baka madal ngai kino ko na ngona kero ngai vital no tiko ni kina ni bera ni tosa tiko na ni robi wasi ni ko no sila mndanga na ngona me baka madala teki ko ya na bondo ndambi tiko mai kina na ngona ni vital no ngo seda batali be baka madala tiko kina ngai baka madala tiko ngai kino ko iya kero sa babni binakatikan jikem ni todo ko sara ni bera ya babni nakatikem ni nanto baka muri kema tiko mai si okay raw bikem ni nasando baka tatar tiko mai na buku ni online digital business kakerondo wasi tiko yani iya sila sarang nunggo be misran rono bena pamadala tiko mendanga bala kalaka ni berni tos tiko ni robital na singani ko nakamem
nakabale bu lia ni bula binaka na sarsar barong tiu mai na ni rau vitala no tike lia na membaleta ni rau digital business ayaw be kipninsin kileo na tang ko salote unduanga na maramo ataka tu bakandente sara pasanga bulka bana baki au sadeng mengo na takataka au satungan ko ivale bingara bitunga ivale marau takatiko na ngonongo ni urau ni vital no tukir na makumbungu ngarab tal tuson na itabi nunggu hobbies au babi na binakatakina na business ingo balete sulia be kianda na ngalala menda ngarab kina na nonda nada banga kenda via takaba patakina nonda business inakalia
na balebu madam bikem ni na barong tiko mai se bikem ni ngai bakarong me bakamalu okla ni sana leb na ngona ni sana do rega tiko na ni do we wase se okay ro batike sotal na ni ro tokani na buku ni digital business kakema misama ile na tiko bunga sarana na ngone toke ya undolu na ngone na turang marama na biasa berubur na be mata tamata era di bakatalitunga na business ngo kakema indambe batati ko nandona bata na online space duin na buna ke mami ruma kina tuna ne mami dui talanoa okay mami na sama indambe tiko na bata ngo ya wendo atena nongo yani kuwa na binakata mendana rongo damandanga na nana italano Mrs. Ranronro me bakani redeti ko na ulutanga tiko ni robital no ni kuwa why retirement isn't the end na santa rongo tanana baka madala tiko tuko na tiko ko ni sa vengo mai na daka me baka balabu baka matini tu ndra kelato doko na ngoni toke ya sama indambe tali tiko ko ya na lamani bata ni business go kau kila ni sana pa kila talti ngoko na kene binaka marota kasarti koko na na mengarabati ko na business ana mana liba ya kero na bebe ba ungeti talti ko nga ka kero na be wasi to kan kina na bukun business ngo ke bakani na mani tunin mai ni ngai bare tak tak ngamen na bono ni sar sar ti ko mai kina ni bakam pula mai bikirau kero na be kila tal ngai na bono ni baro ro ti ko mai kina na singa binaka ni ko binaka madam matengani taro na numati ko mo taro nga bikya mo ni kuwa kera man tanga kila ni lebor na parong mai na bikya tanga thaba na bu na kila ndina ni sa kemnya ni taka taka mai ba matento ni taka taka binakasar ay tutu lebu ni ndambe kina na nanda maten itu ya se tosonga na muni mai sanga muni mai vidi bakatal nga into na muni business Oke nga teki kina na mona libu-libaran ni may pagkangao ovalatok na tarbatertanya, what inspired you to start your own digital business? Nakameda.
Binaka ba lebu lia? Endo na taro binaka at this time in my life, sa veng minadakadaka, libu ikima minadeng minadadakim sa tungay pale. Yo kendandui na tamate andundua kendandui o yau dit ni usada katak sarmay bakan dinde au apangarati ko enduan na dakadaka meu dakaba kwera ni o yau tiko ngai vale no, not too much pressure, not too demanding me yau lewa yau tok nga. And at the same time, I get to earn some money. Eu nunggu na buna lewu au lewa na kina business ngo ya baleta ya naka ye wa mangarati ko but oyo sasranga ni bangangar bana I had not come to the stage where the intention was to look for a digital business. Sianga oyo wa bangarati nga ndo naka baleta ni sa dengo me navadaka au sana tu sartu vanende vale oyo nga kina watingu so sanala ko na nito ta le daka wafambeka usana gidaka butu I mean there's nothing much to do at home ko yo bangarati kinandona ka yo muna daka bendona ka dunangono saliba ka sa matakasar maybe I do some writing maybe may mobola poems or something mat mendona ka mudaka ko may ababaltikin nanungu mona it's for my own personal well-being balatan dona ka we bana numa bikenda na sanga talindua and may bukeiko mo look after yourself at this age in your retirement and your mental well-being your physical well-being yana non dei tabi sarango kenda patekenda so yo wangarati gundu waka sama takamali unadhambe kami unadhaka but in my mind oyo sabi na katemi udhaka bendona ka ko yo muna tikngai vale I don't have to take a trip somewhere muli dhaka kina oyo meu lewa yo tiknga ya me baka me interesting me rendona ka yo bulida But kenda kila ke baka kenda sini bulida ndona ka it becomes routine it becomes sabakan boring talemai yo wangarati ko meya aunque sota kaisar na I was just going through Facebook aunque reda pa na Facebook donong gitokan kirwa buli batalanga may sawan mani reda sara kiruvi tala noa nangonang reda kina na what the business was all about tukuna biya yes this is what I'm looking for Wasaranga na wangarati ko mendonga na kaurani dakama ni utip ngai vale and wayo nga ule wayo tika my own boss and I'll earn some money so it's that freedom that flexibility and financial independence wayo minakata I found in this business sangatal ni ungay baka samantaka baka mbalabu se baka rua I just had a one-to-one face-to-face discussion with this lady who became my mentor Merceini the next day I was sign up and then I sign up I paid my registration fee Sala kusar. So nungo eu senge in this business for 2 months. Ya seringa kenda nandu na watau non tabatangin din imbula na bakin imbula that you kina your life experience, your work experience. Yo batakiao. Yo fit tak seringa na nunggu what I was looking for. It fitted my agenda maybe. If it tak seringa na digital business ngo. Ko seringa inspect kiao baleta and then kirau edio na makumbu kirau endo nga tigo ibiti ralewa lura tumai bonotani. So I'll continue to earn some money meu ka kuni masasata na watingu kirna lubengo because in all these 44 years old I've always been very financially independent. So yes, that's my lifestyle. I have to look after myself. So that'll give me some money kimni natarong may lawan beka ni daba. Oh, binakata may ungande bir na makumbungo. Bir na lubengo may sikobira. Kaya karsin rin lang kamay and I can go Tunto ba kasam takam to nga ng bulan we have to enjoy life. Pasar nga nanunggu naka ungetiao. May ulewa na kina na businessing ko.
Right.
Nakalia?
Navale bu madam dina todo kana kani parita ka weekend na kemanta na maramai ninta zakazaka sama to may weekend ninta zakazaka da toro tingana nanda sende da mbuno da tingana nanda sende ngo endo na kandi na todo kila na yado menanga una sanda na vengu kina mana nanda zakazaka ando ka basa mata zakazaka panando na kampani se mateni tu se mani bakaza na verni zakazaka tutu linda bikina na mongoni zakazaka sana yado ngamena bagini bakazengo sana vengu sana may dango total nga bakake na nanomu sende eu talaga madam na batalaga ngor na nungu baro ni bana ni bakasa matakati ndalo nga no sana bakazengo mai eu no via que você me dava aquela que não cutar não nimber nem terlantar na tarab eu samiti com coi no tani eu mai verto na nungu matabu baler to na tua kangor na nganengo ondo bakasa matakatu ke bakai ndo na kaya do beni tota ndo batera nungu bakana no lebna ngono lebna kondo bara rabi takati be koya kera ulero takatoka na be kamen baleta na matabu bal Desengan tu nikela no nanda bisinga yang dong. Ko man tabi kenda na seda kata katiko kenda si biat tabang wani baka baka lai. O ndo baka sama tu keba kasando na kaya tu ba. Nadaba tale tu men raw ni bukewa ya o mo sada kata kata ke raw ya ningo. Sember ni adaba nang wani baka deng me baka te ke Mrs. Randondro ya unanoma bimbi me baka raw te ke ke baka iko seda kata katiko danangon nantor na baka deng me na kata iko pinakata mo si tourisende tiko nga lako mai miteke kuna ng business mananga usar-sar tiko may kina roni pepe ko baka muriti kong gore reach out yani kina Mrs. Randondro siya usar-sar tiko may biya reach out may merawa ni kero soli baka saleani and be kala o motori baka moroni may tiko kuna kinang business ko kero waseti ko kahit ni digital business TV nga na internet space and na may bulida na kena ivivi sana kena ngarabi ninda rongoda nakaka ito ko misran ron rotono ko na ngunang apa madala tekin bi ko sa sign up saranga azaba na sign up ko na register ma mo na bito may na damo wate ken no mo email address na ndo na website pakarotak manalo man business ke ba kai ko na baka muriyo ti ko may na sign up may na nung website ke baka muri misi sa ron ti ko sign up may na website na bika todo kwenta na may sota bailama toto bata todo nasiang nindu balatan to batangana bata ke maminta biti ko kingo na pagarote ke deni ke ko na information mo na kila merawan yung kay zakaba na mo bakatuloa to seliu se saru ti ko tangana ko no to kinang korea ndana lenta pa na tartara na bole madam na no mani waseti ko na dava ungeti ke moni mainda na bata ni business ngo se mai tek pundi ke na no mani digital business yo karongan itaro na no mo Tarong Vikim Niniko and was Pertania, Tongore from your own journey so far. What would you say are the biggest benefits you've experienced since starting the online business? Okay, la, and doing na beka and then doing Sotaba, doing na Vikim and then I take on Laman business. Doing na Bono came and take bookina. Ya kema mikela bada bono me kem take bookina, kema mi ama indicab. Kema matoro manikala kon in the sign up ya in the register. The Romodan can never madala. Because I'm getting a cabana no bagatuloa. Lande ni loma, so no membership fee, maronyo my raid, and a very cat todo quite a lomongo. Get the cabana mudindi. But take a weekend, take a with that case, or take a willomandolus, or take a wira. Was to there are different kinds of investments in this business. Yeah, and I've been like a monitor, like a column, but I take my razor. And that time you came and went out again, and that time you my razor sarang na kema mina tukuna chumbanga no kema mina veka ngani tikema mi oiko kele iko nga oiko batike na ka ngani tiko ya sana sila sana ngono go be madam ya wasia talam da weekend na itala no na bukuni karoni taro sati ko kwa na pale Miss Randondro
Pinaka na o me baka usa tukuna tiko au sengei hula rua na nungu tiko mana business ingo ye ndona ka nungu talitaka baleta na kausa tukuno chitoka the flexibility kena freedom revango tiko mai suba au la komengo ngo nango pasar tangani ngo na nito tiko na mula me na walu mai mbua au la komai baleta dona mate dona songo ni mate dona funeral au ngale mai kina me mai tiko kina ko ya ngale mai kina ngo ya see the beauty about this business go kita ula kono matakaleni ko kita uli rengu utiao se kere bibuso timanda me ula ko mai vale me autu no birto na birto na kala kono ge lestalean reda ya na kasranga bangan oya ubangarati ko ngan rewatu ya me ka ko ni bisuki au na nongu zaka bata ka nongu zaka iliu nongu zaka iliu na 8 to 4 kosono na kenta natina sanda umusi na elonda bambimbi kasatu matena lubenda girse kalalai so ndala ko tuya na elonda tu saranga bir na lubenda but because na zaka bisuki kenda tu ele wai kenda sana la ko ngana bon nonda zaka ya kongo oikole wai ko ngaba tikiko Retango, utiko may suba sa tataw may wano watingo o sila mande mbuo mo may matatay ko matango non to family ni namatengo au lako mai lako sarbi nungu toka niya kito li reng matak ni kuwa au le umbitir to ganyo sila ko mai na watingo asan gay lista lekya nanonda pala ni taka na 8 to 4 kind of job do mandana kene wala mo kere libi o tia ke bakanga itiko na timeline ni sa diu na kain tondo no mediu iko na baka sam takatiko na zama na excuse mo tuko na binom boso dia bata tu oke da batal nga na ngoni buli kena gas ni buli da bia ire non ra office nda ngai kino lista le mai sabatu ya mbele telewa itu na non tambula o kwengo senga sarangani nduele oiko Watakia ya, au kirbe boso tinga binung tokani, au tunub koreda, ula ko totolongan ko ibale, au nang iles tale mai. Au tau bale mai au, au me atenta ka mandai liu na vuli kilati ko lia, ni mami vuli ni kuwa, kaya to kay na mastermind. Au vuli raw mandame au atenta kaya, utia kiro salak sarmay bana session go. Rede ando na benefit lewe the freedom and the flexibility. Mambimbi bikenta na marama nyo kenta go nagarabir na lubenda nagarabir na watinda nanonda val nonda mata vale o kongo nungu lewa ke iko besu kitu ba no mumbula no mudakataka kongo iko mbiu to mandanga iko lako li dakapato ko no housework sangan yung gayo nga tog matena lube bangara na house girl kaya sangan nila ko talamayo ngonele ang daw bebo kay bale do tal tuna baka na idola sangan lang may weekend o kwengo isang saranga you are your own boss iko lewa iko sartik nga gay the beauty too about this system because a lot of things is well established, it's inbuilt. Pataka na training niya. Kiro keli alak nga may hindi na raw time na napuno kiro dutuki na ko ito sa may Canada o yaw ibiti. Kaya tika muna tinkaroon na kaloko ni kwa. Awla kamayo atenta ka na bulya. Ayaw mo na nga marutak. Doon ka na Nabuli baka ikut may weekend ando na yalo ni talita kanaka ninda buli de sonaka konta sanga tuni kila o yau bataki nando na kale o yau may buli da tikungoi ke ya na daka na mona liva o naungo like I believe in my age we belong to that nakambeka do bakataka batokai tuna we belong to the old school sa kila yung mandangango ni sa miliwan na business ngo au sangai vaka empisa na empisa au sinivia vaka vanungu talebon au ke via empisa au no sile na ilawin ito ta o ka mege empisa vendo no friend don na davanga vaka batigo don fundraising or something e vatu ya na nungumbula even though I have a Visa card I don't do online banking until I'm really pushed nangun nungu vaka vaka ngaula ko ngai malangi au nangeren levanga takin na nungu Visa card. Okay, like I said, we belong to the old school, lebungana ka kim dondo gibaya ni kimemita kadaka. There are people that look after these things for us, Patak may palimendi ni kuha. Arto lang may palimendi arto may tokbalilay ken na mulo-mulo. So they were people we used to work together. Autarong sa rendo na IT person. Baleta na ngona ni COVID, Beno, kanangon ko sa nanduka, kananong bengo, vakatigo bata. We know we had to do Zoom meeting, O yaw nakadibisar nga mo may kay nito wali may setup ta kabiyaw. Kung nakayaw sang kay setup ta ngango. See, because at that time, because there were people to do the work, now sang to niwe bulida. Because I know somebody will come and do it for me. O kongo, kung nga utuko na yan, doon na huli level yaw. Kung nakataw ko yaw daw sang to niwe dakaba, o sa dakabango. Gay, ikot na may biyaw, endo na bulabinak, baka endo na bibaw ang gete, lak may biyaw, balat ni huli Kila nabule nangayoti nga ni kanda sa mateani. So at this age, mambimbi biki mami na sa retire to, what you gonna do? Don't go video was it you for the 24 hours we have in a day, there are 3 slots of 8 hours. Wal na yawa mo mothe, wal na yawa mo daka, wal tal na yawa iko na wase vaka tolu na wase. Do mana nomu health, nomu hygiene, nomu hobbies, monangaraba kinea. Wakasama tanga na walu na yawa wasana mode. So na walu na yawa daka tabi kono kita kabutukina. Because remember, you have the other 8 hours to look after your health and hygiene, your personal grooming, your hobbies, na nomu faith, nomu wili bola tambu, nomu wewa se takana bosa, na nomu friends, you go and visit your friends. That comes in the third 8-hour slot. So first 8-hour slot, oiko mo have a good rest. Second 8-hour slot, oiko mo dhaka. So sa gitu baka sa mtakachiko. Hai, na 8 hours ya, mati usathi ngumen na dhaka, Na thimbe kono dhaka batu. Ngibabimbi ni kiro nga babioti, ni kwa li dhaka. And I tell you, weke mani na sember ni retire, o kemini talanga na sa retire, kenta sa tinggo ibali, we underestimate retirement. Kenda sana numanga, sa retire nga ulit ko ibali. Baka sama ta kenda daga tumay, kila, we are on the go. We go to ibali. So, what you gonna do? Look after your grandchildren? Or you gonna do some hobbies? But nanumati ko, you have that 8 hours, mo daka no more hobbies. Eti ko na wal na yawa, mo daka to use up that time, So, I tell you, and don't go to kill the time. You'll get bored, and if you're not doing anything constructive and purposeful, intentional with your life, with your time, can depression, those kind of things, it's gonna come in. So working, tiko yapapalatiko nondamona, yapapalatiko nangusunda ngonda kira vitala no tiko. Olia mandanga kiro sembermando ni sota face to face. Kiro may sota seranga wana businessingo. So that's another benefit. Nikenda we have this community of friends from work. Nikenda sa umay, sambiu tuya niya. Sang talindo ang gaibi kileiko. Because you are not relevant anymore in that community. Ucha so vi kimamingo gaibi bangara lai taka talitiko, Bia list tali bangara taka ke. You want to go back to the place where you used to work before. Ausangivango, no, I don't want to do that. I want to try something new. Something totally new. I now have a community of people, a new community of friends. Man, autukunumandanga. Batele weekend bakakenda na numanga. Men da vital no chunga kira kwanda sa friends to my liu, eh? No. This is, you have to, retirement, it's a new season. That's a season. So you into a new season. And you have to do new things in that new season. So your lifestyle have to change. Maleta ni nakaya dictate takatoh baka levo na on the lifestyle ya na ilabo, eh? Weekend na sa retire, do nakatong mandamenta na kaya you have to adjust. Adjust your lifestyle mo baka sa mataka from that from that being financially independent for 44 years, I don't have any income anymore. I mean, like I have a bit of pension and I have some other source of income from my properties, some kind of little business. See that little business go in total na business go. So you have to have streams of income ninda sa retire. But kasi nga, I tell you, matakan datamata nga, because I'm financially independent imagine for me, 44 years, I was in Rotsanga na kere. See? So this business, even though I was in Ronabula, I have not yet got paid yet, but I know the rate I'm going, I look forward when I'm going to start receiving the rewards of this journey, because I know it's gonna come and it's gonna come in a big way. Because the way the response I'm getting,
Right.
the response I'm getting is oyomanga bakausa sinivambo tatali. Yo, gumanda no nonguli de bola kanit almost 35 or something. Awili ka ramber nila kamengo. Asa baka ubito tumandea, batamungara na nongulay somate, meungara na nongubuli, meungara na nero session go kailia, otingo nambongi bateu na listen go na otingo na lista le virto nongu friends chikumena somate, those ladies there kimlital no alain render talk palilai. Nambongi, then I look at my digital business. See, that's the beauty and that's the benefits we get. I choose when I want to do it. And if I want the reward, the level of reward, then I know what efforts to put in. Okay, nanandaka na 8 to 5, that traditional job. So nangon sa sacrifice takananda family time. Sandayali tu na we still at work. Myself included. Kanda guilty, Kanda do guilty vale. Matangila kami sa moderna lubenda.
Yes.
So nangon moderna ngone wakana irna tata sa mata tundu tu yani, because you're not supposed to be at work, you're supposed to be home.
Right.
Yo kongo kenda tigsarangay vale. Leso mo tata sabsabana vale sabsabana ngone matandrende tu ya nonana, because she had a good day. There was no stress. She had a good day because she was able to look after her family well. So that's the benefit. That's the benefit about this business. Just it's that freedom, it's that flexibility, it's that financial independence, the security that you continue to earn. Because at the end of the day, that will contribute to your total personal well-being.
Yes.
And as ang talindua, and na may look after your health for you. And health, it's not about, it's just not about eating well, changing your diet and those kind of things, doing exercise. Your total well-being, your health also includes, we are created to be in a conversation with people, to build relationship. We are made for relationship. And the sanganira nyo retire ngay chikutondo voling ay vale. Iko na rida mango nyo vitala no onre you build relationship. Nando nambula binaka iko tamiviko. You take that away, you become a grumpy old lady. Iko ndo na udunru irna makumbumu irna bakara sowaniko na kiana pasvikito mailaw ya. Samtabi be kumbaleta. Iko You've lost touch
Right.
with the people. Human beings as we are. Akalo embulikian daya. Menta vitala no we batakango no friend go matena lubena. I'm here. Dona kano na maroko ni reda ulaksar may suba to be here with her. No, she's a good friend of mine. She's
Right.
just she's a mother staying home, a very simple mother staying home. But she's a good friend. And that's relationship.
Right.
Reda mtanga ndona bule, ndona baka, ndona mara we kutabikwa ya. Yo lakomai. Yo talanga umarao that I'm able to do that, to a friend, to somebody I call a friend. Yan a relationship. Wakasamataka. So malangamay nung kumtamon dalakomiki. I didn't have to bother my husband. Dalakomay. Yan na financial freedom. Kutamay na businessing ko. Yan din nanda sabi ang utuyvale. My husband is still working. But you need to continue your life, eh? Sintuko ni menta sa nga, menta sa chiku sarangay bali. Oh, I tell you, you'll become a very unpopular member of the household. Kaya baka sarita ko nga tukuna. Irna lubenda, irna makumbunda. Irna so wani kenda, eh? Paleta na nakatudo ko sa baka negative nga. Kaya manindu man nga naka ekan riribi nakatunakakana. Esa nakanavanga baleta na nondambula patikenda. Sa nga chuga ni binaka baleta ni sa yali na that relationship part of our life. Patakyo imagine mo gi chiktundo buli ngay bali whole day. Yasa rendesra nga ng bulabaya. Kung ano na benefits while I'm awaiting the financial benefits, and I know it's gonna come. One day it's gonna come. Soon it's going to come, and it's gonna come in a big way.
Right.
I know that. Just like nanungu bakatulawata kamulewena ng business ko, there was no doubt. I just came in. And I'm so happy. I took that leap of faith. Yeah, like I said, this is what I'm looking for. And even now, the rate I'm going, with the way I'm doing, I know there are good days ahead.
Amen.
Give me 1 year, my story will be very different from today.
Oh yes, for sure, man.
Yeah. So balaka nga, that's a kind of benefit. So you talk about the financial benefits, the physical benefits, and the intrinsic. Na benefits iloma kuna ka me vaungeti kenda. Yeah, kuna karisanga ni reda na tamat. See, if you're not good inside, you can sindra ni smile. You can sindra ni tukuna na wasa binaka. Kla na wasa ni voltambo tukun talanga wango. From the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaks. Kaya sala kumikia na wasa sa ni rongo binaka. Oye kendo eva mea usakilasar ndo na dhuruoso le utoka ni kwango. Dhuruoso ilomango dhuruoso ike yo. Kenda na raoni kilana ibaka raoni nonambula endua senanraki ni nonambula endua ena bosa etukuna mai. Kesa rongo binaka na bosa nta matan rendre davitala no you're able to make it to your friends ndona kaivaka ya kenda kila ebinaka tunayal matanayal londa nakambimbi na londa. Even if you don't have things, but you have a good heart, your mindset is good. Klana nonda mona do kayo Joyce Maya do barongo dir na evangelist na do barongo kina. Our mind, that's the battleground ni setan Kanda butu banga tunga bango. So nango ko rani wili ko chingame ng voltam. O tingango ritako sundona kabango. Sada wisar na bosango Yangona. So kenda mendangaraw na ode enda bi maliway kaya who you have relationship with, and that's one benefit. I'll just add this last one. One benefit from this digital business is that baka na ni mami like it's maybe ndongan requirement, secondly lawa, it's not carved in stone, but it's being influenced into us, is that we don't say any negative words. This business operates on positivity, on a positive platform whereby we build each other up. So you can see tarava kendua kebaka dhatu na yalomu, you are very negative. Na sindrani ndondo na lingamu mole ibuke, na sindrani lako na yamamu mole ibuke. So kongonea ni sabaya na positive environment ko kimami operate na digital business owners ngo. Wakasamtaka, if I remember correctly, I read somewhere when a NATO community of network, there's about 260 something business owners from all over the world.
1,000.
Mendagay vitala noa and the wilikana nonda stories. It's very encouraging, very motivational. Kimami motivate kimami chiko. So one thing I've learned is that you have to up your self-motivation every day. Self-motivation for this digital business, it rubs off from the members of your community. Kilambata nabosa vinaka taundonu, it works magic. Nindona bosa wrong mai enangau nangandrebi kina in that right environment. It can fix it. Kipa kamandanga ko abu sa toka na rakabatoka nomu donomu rakakan lamani vale. It'll lift you up. Okay. Asa alakrangango mele sabna bele tibal ni kuro mele rakana laundry, because after that mole rakabanong business nongo digital business. So yang na intrinsic benefits kwanta sanga ni reda ti lomanda yembasi kamai and ibakaroni nonda vosa our behavior and again basic making on the lifestyle. We have benefit level in business single. We begin to see the light kind of thing. Kila kita gereda. Even though salot itu kuna tinggo ko sinroni sang tumundangan kilabina kana mona liba, but she's doing this business, and I know I will learn one day. Kila tingolia baka so talakala lengo me unangai bulida. See, and that's the best part, because even though we have training programs, everything is offered in this program. We very much go on the mode of self-taught, self-training. Go batangan in the label in baka tertiary, sinda buli mandanga na classroom. Kibaka ko na sinlewili ka ng textbook. So sin the kabanang assignment, you're gonna fail, You're gonna sit and toss on a movuli. Yes. Just like this business, just like any other business, you have to do your part. Kung ayaw, at this age, may nga nabuli binaktartungan ni kuya yaw attempt to na digital online training niya. It gives us ideas. See? I said, yes, I'm going to do it like that. Yang ni buli. Kaya kaya nasangan ni buli. And nasangan toso, even if kanta sa retire, that's what this community brings. I still enjoy that learning. It keeps my mind going, And maybe at this age, if you are not intentional with your mind, with your thoughts, na negative thoughts and maybe because you are not being intentional, not purposeful with your thinking. Ikan in the sa radar roya. Ito ka ng bula. Yung man nga ito ka ng bula. Baleta, it's just what I was looking for. Lebro to kuna biyo misran don to madanga ko kitu so tani ko kim do taka patatu ni se tripalimenti. Kun kaya nga biyo ni yung bulong binaka. Chobi wali bira yung baleta ni kiyo may tubat kirna bunikaw ike, they let out I let out carbon dioxide, they take it in, so they give me a lot of good oxygen. So all these trees, I think this environment is good, Yeah. Even though I'm in here, I come with my business.
Right.
Yes. So those are the benefits that I wish emana nga bikem ningo lia kem ni na barong tiko mai kem ni sengone. You know, do this business to prepare you for your retirement.
Yes.
To prepare you for your retirement. Because I tell you, like I said, retirement is a new season. It's a different ball game.
Mm.
It's a different ball game altogether. Kongone watu kuna tokobango, don't underestimate retirement. If you don't manage your retirement well, it'll pull you down.
Mm.
Na totolo sarangana no mu pull you down.
Right.
Iyo. Kongone those are the benefits, Pura ni may wasi at weekenda. And nangaw nanggo.
Oh.
Pinakalia.
Man, nakabali po medyo may munda nga bakanta na bulile po biya o nan muni pa makalach ko and I'm so thankful to God that I'm already here. Weekend na siya tiko. Sakatal ni lesu ba na pa madal sa mata tapi na pa madala bito Mrs. Randondro da baro te kikende. We never know. Se kenda sember niya ba sember kikenda na siya katingo you in your 30s, 40s.
Man, yeah.
Sember
You are
niya ba
fortunate.
niya. But
Iyo.
coming from someone who's there. Kaya sala ko duro ba ng bulan chicken kinanggo, sali ba din ito may sandarong atang ko na nanay ba sala weekend. So the best time for you to start is now. Take
Yeah.
go, start small, okay, and you
Mm-mm.
just take one day at a time. Lakos tok nga ba malwa, we
Yeah.
build slowly. The taray ka na dagat nga ba malwa na huli ba
Mm.
karuta ki the flexibility. Weekend naman da nga na sa dagat ko medyo sabo ka din ko
Yeah.
we are still working it, but we can still do this business because of the flexibility.
Yes.
There's no timeline. Sing na timeline mo na kango may sabit na ngo kango may watch na ngo no. The kabatak nga ba malo nang nga lalaki na nyo so kami nadakadaka if you still have energy to do something online. I'm sure we all have that energy because we can ngalala nga ba ko sa Facebook, ngalala nga ba ko sa Facebook. Senta
Mm.
bengiriti siya we do something online. Senta yan do to na talibon. That's the time you can spend on your business. Small things. Nakalalinda nang kay kabatik ng business ko nang kay add up. Sangam ba kanyo na rawata na kao binakata. Like lepikan niyo yung manta nung unutur mi business. I was only lakoto nga man ni financial because of the financial side of it. But there's so much more to that. Nakabaka madalata ka tiko misran ron, right? Mengarap ng business ko na siya kabakan doon ninda na dora ka ore the madam yung may tiglo ng business ko. Hardly no idle.
Yes. Yeah.
Like mo balo si ngauna. Yes,
Mm.
and so no siya ni kana balik ayo. Mo zaka tiko ba ko ala dambe relax but kana pinakakinometa ka pa na business online ko. Sing tono taka bimbi anda taka bigeno ko saranga na tono check nga or huli nga online sing tono po mo drive kin mo ngale huli se me ole so much ko renta ka tikon tono office to run your business from there or space. No, you do it right from home or wherever you are. Ukila ni na sanabi buki sarabi kenda na nabi wasi yo medem na sikini kuwa datal na taro na no na tarin kwa kina kila ni sa tikongo na buro ni the digital era. So era say, what should I say? Those who are still hesitant or uncomfortable. Okla ni sa tarawa ti bakalilay. Kaya wala man ni toso tali bala naman ni baka madala na tikine ya medam ira na se klara baka titingka takatu na buro ni technology sa tambula tu kina nang munanggo. Ni wasya matanga bala naman ni tala no ni tikine. Naka.
Binakabale wulia. Yeah, bata kayo watu kunotoko yongo I belong to the old school, eh? But that worked in my previous work because there were other people that do all these monaliba work for us, eh? Tuo ira kwerangarabaya. Yana nangunango, aunge meireda, it's whether we like it or not, this digital era is here now, and it's gonna be the future of doing everything.
Yes.
O mbeka batakia ndo baka unrotaka o avoid tak may liwe. Baka samtang-matang usang mga ni baka M-Pesa. All these all these things. Oh no, sila na cash no go husband nang galita ka ba na M-Pesa. Oh no. So baka mbeka it's either because I know somebody will do it. But now when I'm into this digital business, then it kind of opens up my mind to appreciate technology more. But later, that's the way the world is moving. It's either you're gonna move with it or you're gonna be left behind. Kono karndo tukuno irnangon emberambiwe. Yo onango emberambiu kantin sertunga na mona liba. Because ndo sanga tunivya kawita kaya. But now that I'm into this digital business, it really makes me appreciate. I'm just doing this live session from my phone. Aunque me read the kina, boy, this little phone, like it's a smartphone, you can do everything in here. Yo, yang na technology.
Yeah.
Gay even this work that we are doing now,
Right.
Because technology has provided that leverage. Verito ng karabati ko may na office na headquarters ni digital business ko. All this training, all these systems and processes, it's all done up and it's there, it's inbuilt. Yung mandanga nakaukinda lalata kaya. Yeah, mandanga. Yo mataining uno rongo da kina na this what you call it? This chat GPT. This
Chat GPT.
Yes. Ako baka wasan so ni kawaita ka. I said, what's all this thing? And then doon na ka ko. I think my visa application. Gandong na mo na yan. Gatarong may, are you a robot or human? Kinmalmbalya, organization, I mean, big corporate organization or, a lot of organizations are using this intelligence, this artificial intelligence, this AI, and that's the digital now. Kasamtang-mandangaya, baleta ni Mungay kaya niya, sa tukuningon may mumbitan ng thumbprint or something. That's to prove to that office that I was working with. O yaon din na, sendua na robot.
Right.
So if we are at that level now, imagine the future.
Yes.
Batakingo, say, Leah in her maybe 40 now or
yes.
40. Imagine 40. Oyongo, I'm 67. 27 years from today, I don't know what the technology will be like. Because artificial intelligence mandangango, that's going to take up the desk work. Right. Robots going to take up that workspace.
Yes.
Artificial intelligence is going to take up that work. So, be prepared. Wakasamataka nandun na sana chop down may nadakadaka. Baleta nadakada kung nandun nakabati ko na tamata, tambusagayani, sa nadakaba na misini.
Right.
So come a time, your skills won't be needed. And imagine if you don't have any skills. But this business, na digital business ngo, okwa ebukia moiko nga batekiko babuliviko. Wana business ngo. Patakiranga nangone bulim nangango universities, they do a lot of online classes,
Right.
Sarsini la koy na batekito ngo sa laksar nga mula intambe pa na lecture hall.
Right.
Nangunong ko sasya nga, you just do things online. Mungkin bakasamataka. It's either you embrace change now, embrace technology, meron yung toso, patakasarangan ng businessing go. You have to embrace the change that this business is gonna bring. Matay mandangaya, patakiao, I'm not IT savvy. But I have to embrace IT, embrace the training that's offered in this program, Merawan yo ya ukilakina so that I can move on. Because that's the platform, the digital platform. On this digital platform, digital business. And everything. Oh, apply tak cik tengah nunggu bisa. Oh, sekilang the last time, saya kabar tu ina parliament, ina office. Congo, you have to do everything online. How saya ngata na li bakal form ike, bakal form ike. You have to do everything online.
Yes.
Congo nira weekend bikem nimbe kana via tukun chikumango yo sinkila nadaka digital business. You know, but endo mananga tukun maybe no ako sinkila binatuna pa sa palang Ang tukuna you come rongovir na other countries like Vietnam, Philippines. Okay, don't na lenga to like we are so sensitive to being judged by other people.
You want to be perfect.
Yes, ikaw marunong na rapo sa papalang yung rongo. Sa business owners, kung tatong serangan na tabi kaya na tabi at taydak, yun mo na nga, wala kanisin kilabi na ito na sa papalang. But they are they're running training programs. Yo kenda to, baka ando watu ya, baka kenda ready kenda sombutu We have to change. That's what I'm trying to say here. We have to change. Na change, it can be painful. It's uncomfortable. Ate kyo mandangango, man, I tell you, ando frustrated you sa sinkila nakani mona libango. But lucky I have a son that's very patient with me. But I believe kendo talimba kana makumbungu who they na biya tukuna ngame na karabia tukuna ratukuna. But it's not karabia fed up. But that's change. I'm trying to embrace this season in my life. Kona lang like get somebody to come and do it for me. No, I have to learn this technology. You know, sindrani buliva, I don't have patience. I don't have that willingness to learn. If you don't embrace this digital platform, this digital era, you'll be left behind.
Yes.
Gabi kim ni talanga na parang tikumay tukuno tikumango. Oh, aku sangat cuma dengan kilabi na kana taka na digital business ko because I'm not IT savvy. I tell you, as long as you can do Facebook posting, wararasa sonon ra Facebook posting lang tungo Rabi wasaki binaka, rabi wasaki da. As long as you can do Facebook posting, I tell you, you can do this business.
Yeah.
Balata, this business operates mainly through Facebook. So you have a phone, as I said, sartungaya. You can do Facebook. I said, sarangaya. You don't have to speak in English. Balata na kenta tuwa buli tikenta ngo kenta kaibitinga,
Yeah.
It's okay. Sangan nindo na kinaleng kaya. Yung kung nagkita ko naman ko, ay using kilabi na kanataka IT na mo na liba-liba. Kunileng ka. O yaw talaga. But I'm so happy I learned. Iliw yaw ndo, so sabi yaw nungu husband because anything ono sa uti may kinungo taka tasang nindo kere metaka na kango biyaw Even so nakamdangan na laptop baka usang talnikila mo takabada. So I asked my husband for help. But now, this business has taught me to be independent, to be self-sufficient. See? It has taught me, it has given me that confidence in IT. Kesa nga business ko yun, napangara kerkerwabo kitu nga ibirto na chika initolo manivale. To do this for me, like simple things like M-Paisa. I mean, you wouldn't believe it, but that was my life before. But now, even they make a joke about it. Baleta now sa katalngango like I do M-Paisa now. Iliu, natuko na vendo mega kabanungo M-Paisa. Nangonongo, si that's the benefit, And that's the beauty about this digital business. Iko na buli. Baletando na kaubi tukuna kenta na sinirani. Batiki baka iko na ambiutuma iko sanangay pandimbi ko sa retire. Kesa retire ngai ambiutuma. Iko sanangay grumpy sarang avali. Patsala ko patatue na in our 60s, ala ko bata tu namba, nakavaya, sangay may kuria talendo, do nakaundo reda ba levo ninda sanga se may this self-pity, Kilana voltambi tukuna kenda, we have to get rid of that. We have to get rid of self-pity, of anger, of bitterness, of unforgiveness. We have to get rid of all that. And in here, mbaleta kwetukuna olia, nonda we are occupied. Yeah, we are occupied. Our mind is occupied and occupied with positive things because we are in a positive environment. Uwe, totoka na nambula. Ya ke baka yuko sa senga ni engaged ka na nomu mona nomu baka sama nandona ka positive. Kila an idle mind, An idle mind breeds all this negativity. But baka na negativity and baka total na kaya na contagious, Kendo bosa may baka dunrubiko, ngayon senga ni binakatiko na nomu baka raw nimbula, ike. Senga idawi nga may adawi lestalean, Iyo. Kongonea, that's the beauty about this digital business. You are in a very positive environment. Kila taraiza kikina na nonda mbula. It even helps us to self-check. Kila you self-check yourself, So mesangi songa na kaya rimba da kami bango because I react sartian, But with digital business, you take time to respond.
Right.
You take time to respond. You are in the right condition of your heart, in the right mind, you can respond. You can read the bango, but talanga na bosa di voltambo, na bosa binaka tau na ngau nandonu na ngau na binaka. It can work magic on the other person. Basa basaranga na no na bosa may bakaza, se bosa dundu beka may. When you turn that around, totoka ng bula. Yeah, dona kay ubia wase weekend na membaleta na digital business go. Digital era is here to stay. And it's for us to become, we have to include ourselves, Balato kenda as human beings as we are. Kenda bestak mendambi utani, mendambi watiki tu, Kila, we want to be, like I said before, we want to be in a community of people. Like it gives us this sense of belonging, Like we Mami mandangango na this community of digital business owners. Basaraba toka, kito ibiti, nandoni mamimbose at the end of this month. I'm so looking forward. Baleta kiba mina leisota. Kwa sange leisota face to face. Kay totoka kinabiyaw, live na marama. And I like that because we can help each other, build each other up to help yourself, Ambimbi baleto kenda ninda binakatiko na marama. Una binaka nonda matabubale. On the ready kenda, we are the anchor. We are the anchor in our families. And with this digital business, and akuta maybe kenda na bisaw, kontangan reva, merenda buke kenda kinabate kenda mandanga ilio, bernindangera ni buke ir na nandaleo ni matabubale. So, dakuni rerebaka. Kenda bakanta do rerebaka tu na. Utal nga baya. Pasab kung tambaka ng bulu ka ungo, ngay kasal. I mean, it's okay. It's not gonna bite you.
Right.
Kaya duriti kino irna buli totolo. Man, I tell you, they just press whatever, and that's what I've learned to do. It's okay to make a mistake.
Yes.
Yeah, but the kenda ngona sa retire toka, kenda be perfect, But the kenda talaga ando baka kenda sang to ando be buli, But the kenda ando ngona mbala baka kenda be baka buli ditu may non the mono ni nakadaka. But I tell you, it's good to learn. Baka kuta maybe kenda na good energy, good vibes. Ninda buli. Yeah. Wambimbi na laptop ngo, I tell you, ndo na laptop ngo retong ko matango. Mena, ndo baka urere baka matanga tambakan ndo na bulu kauya. Baka urere baka na, it's gonna jump at you or it's gonna bite you,
Right.
But no, let's get rid of that fear. Baleta na fear talenga. Yeah, na weapon. So let maybe kendo setani me vesuki kenda tu. Now fear is very crippling, and fear will drag you back.
Yes.
But fear is suki kutunga stationary in this spot. You have to get rid of that fear, Paisulutek kenda na faith, meron yung lande aniliw into this new digital era, this new digital world. Man, ito toka ukoya. Yo mananga usini understand tagara na mananga baka urere tukina na sini urere baka usensoni interested na lako kina. Maybe because I know there were people to do that kind of work for me, eh? Yan nangonongo, au tali tagasarati nga nanongo like I'm trying to make technology my friend, eh?
Right.
But utarida na kabina karin kutamibiao. Kabina kabik to ko totol ni tukun nga mona liba. It's just like that.
Yes.
Instantaneous. Yes. So all we have to do is embrace the change that will lead and teach ourselves how you can manage it, how you can capitalize on it to make it your tool for your own betterment. Baletana digital irango, it's the way to go now and into the future. Kung ngaya liyo rin ni somuto kinabakalakalak ng taroya?
Pinabale po, madam, kenta na parang ti kumay, sandarong adayana baka matal mabe misran rondo, we have to be open-minded, eh? Tandala we can to this new thing that is here in front of us. New ideas, new opportunities, wakakatiko. So we can then the rarity ko. Abna ndo rarity ko na yaya baka liba na mona liba sa tungo ko sa biumengo me bakararota ka na nonda bengarabi. Bakararota ka na nonda zakazaka mamanda na nonda zakazaka yo. So we can then the sichuko nga na all mindset and the via mokota chiko nga kuna zakazaka bimbi kwa bako the ikenda the wani ko nana ba matala taka chiko medam baleta na nana ba matala taka ba matala waltingan ko baka samta ka wabuli politik meni konta na stoya iliu nangona sige tiga pula kami kena kona self serve akai chiko ko ni sana baka lili tiga mena taka ngona kantin to ko bikito ike sa lebo na supermarket sena store ndala kin sa sara lutu sombo ne wili ni cashes sara sengo erna cash konda lokayani dala imbita non tiaya go sa lebo ngana self serve sanda yo ngona tiga pula kami kene baka mo ridi bang oh right ngai nga bono kona Vitalia nambala bunila ini tu ya kora ke mamina raka mona bata me ke mami tu ngai mur ke msigi bele self serve ke mami lain bata tu ya ni boso ti tu na lain bala redam nanga ya na nanga unai ya santom nanga nambala mental lain tu bala tani bendingi taka tu nga mental la ko vacation yo ke baka o iko sa ringo amana ke na kabo sa la ko maingo mo bulida nga mo la ko le self check out tiki go tap on the barcode Ciao so mga turani tuba. Rasela in bala tu nga ay ko sala ko tuba kanta yo sala ada telini bal. Sera lain tu nga wiran nan dingi taka tu nga mera raya Rasese nga chugo nira tingoma na kabo ko sa tu nga ngo. Mana libi sa tu nga ng business keto ngaraba chugo it's global. Sa siya nga sa runtu ko na sa klasan dalante talento na level ni ngarabi business nanomo customers so era na iko na bengarabi kena sa siya ni to nga ba nanomo that location kyo ti ko irewanga mera chiko nga irewanga era na mongarabira ke ba ka ti ko may nandi nga na to level beka sebe no with this business na mana libo sa tungo iko di ba kanong business iburo todo you have the karton no to kana telecom the world at your fingertips atu sarto kana boro elinga mena no telefoni nga but you just have to learn how to use your tools and what to do na dabo mata ka bana kaya baruta kana nito business baruta sa tunga weekend na ken na buli o iko nga manangay soli ko mo bulida so you have to give your time ona speta katiko sana mo ngauna nando na singa pakasakay tika misran ron ro kaya ko no buli ko kero mata katiko Cuma tanga na buli ko na self learning ko nga bakategi ko sa kay na buli ko baka roting mai yan laman business ke ngai via tentaka ke senga kay tali kita nito business community ko ngi do baru ta na replay mara rito nangon ngai ko sa ngalala kina ngai may sarap klan sana an balap search na ni regular ni ko further last one today Madam, glani ni pamatal tumbangakina. Just say your last word. What would be your best advice to those who believe the retirement money or pension is enough and don't see the need to start something like this?
O hivi nakalia ia weekend na saving mo weekend ndui nanomu decide takamandanga maybe nanomu penseni FNPF so weekend sang serangan inding ta kame ba penseni oh yeah unangona at the time when I made that decision this much mesanongo FNPF pension in my mind in my heart I was so sure kosa na rautiao ya nangona meu sarita kantin mikina sasangan indona visau minakabaya asange mire the men kalele tongana ilawaya and then I was thankful I had other properties kwe lakotomikina palelebia una sende et taurio tikina so boleto kenda ndona kavi kenda na savengu if you don't have the money you waka sasinraton you be part of any decision making in the household kila dina ni kenda parents kenda na posto kaya ya baka sana santa na baka nui tu nga beir na lubenda kila it's different when you can actually contribute yourself iyo koya vi kemni au na vi bana numi kemni nga na tiko that you can start this business now to prepare you for retirement kaya vi kenda na sa retire kebaka yukukila you're financially able to do this meo lewena na business ingo waungeti kenda you know at least mo lewena mena business ingo mereni bo kuria toka na nomu pension me paleto kenda na nonda lifestyle sanga ni raw sar na nomu bisa utak na nomu lifestyle ni ko sedaka tu Wataki na nomu lifestyle ni sasenga na nomu buru ni lao. Ndo na adjustment level kenda menda na dhakabekia. Ya seranga na mbole bikenda na sarita How able are we to be able to adjust our lifestyle from there to down here? Kila baka na baka vengu, menda sa vengu mena dhakavaka. It's a different kenda dukatu. Menda sa vengu nga ndala itu ivale. Iyo. But kenda sin kila na na tubu ni kalau nonda mbula meleta nonda mbita na buru ngo baka tau biko Okay, ninda veng mena saka ken sana num ngaken sala ngangon da sale to ngai mal nda wawara ka tuna singa But you know, on the bambu ta life is for living Kenda menda maruta ka nambula ninda tuna buru ngo amber ninda ngai lakoyan. So it's a great way to occupy yourself. Ningono sa vengukina. And it's a great, I would say, investment, retirement investment for those that are still working. It's an investment. And I tell you, it's way better than your FNPF. But leto kenda ibiti, nonda FNPF kenda banga taka na buli, nonda na luvenda, nonda buli o kenda, da banga taka na nonda buli vale, nonda tar vale, da banga taka na nonda medical expenses, gay libu na ngaw, nanda gay retirement sabi via batal tongaya So, pikimni na sa takatiko, consider this as an investment opportunity. Investment opportunity that prepares you for retirement. And who knows? Because they maybe patendo rongo de abanito community kosa probi wachin rosa vio na mbaki non rule na tumen business ingo. And they still counting. Imagine if you do this business in 10 years, 12 years, and these two, Konanima Mibuli, they were actually guests on that training program. They shared their story. And they're looking at 5-figure income. na vivula. Yendangiritel nga bira niro maro takatunambula. I think we'll be in the same age group mbeka hiyo. Kungone yana binaka ni business ingo. Orose kabutumay na diyo na mbaki going on 10 years now. Yo wasatiko bikimni na se tingo. Bakambimbi bekyanta na maramatina. Ngo sang talnyong gay bodatakin no FNPF ngo sa no side income saranga. Just side income, side hustle. And who knows, this may be the only one that will look after you in retirement. So who knows? Ilib nga ubarong non vital no ya ira nga sarambita may non rata ira nasi ira gasni buli ira fireman ira tunambange, and they're just doing this business. Those are the potential it can bring to us. Baleta kento to ibiti non to kento se siniava pasarambaka na like na superannuation papatakir may Australia may America ira paraw takibabina kanon ra retirement na superannuation kento ibiti endua saranga there's only one non ta FNPF nga, or unless you invest in whatever so tal naka in shares or anything like that. Yung ko talaga, this is an investment. Yan na kaya binakin na investment go, yung mandang ureda, it's way, way better. See, and that's what I did. I sold my car. Because I'm trying to adapt to this retirement phase in my life. So I don't have to buy fuel anymore. I don't have to take my car for servicing because car has got a depreciating value.
Yes.
So I sold my car because to me, it's not an investment. It's more a liability.
Yeah.
So yung tangay, bulta ka nung gumoto ka, meron yung invest kina pa ng business ko. And one of the push factor nung gubiya invest pa ng business ko is that this business is willable. Aura ni will ta ka ng business ko, vendo na lubengu, se vendo na makumbungu. See, that's the beauty. Okay, bakasamta ka and try to weigh the pros and cons of having the car and investing in this business. And I saw I was better off in selling my car, invest this business, because when I finally leave this earth, I leave an investment for my children and my children's children. A good man or a good woman leaves an inheritance for his children and his children's children. See, holding on to that car will not able me to fulfill that Bible prophecy. Yes. Having to sell that car, invest in this business because it's willable, it's a business that I own. It makes good that Bible verse. And that was the base of my making the decision. Sell my car, invest in this business. So there's always a way. There's always a way. Kaya ubabi na pinakakina that amen, I wish man nga yung musabata kilia yung bakipas pangabulbaya all these years in front of us. But nakalon dito nga nanan dito nandambula. So yung baka nung dito ni kalon nung gumbula, may baka nga takyaw to be the mouthpiece be kemuni na sengoneti ko na takatati ko nangonongo to try and consider this investment. I believe maybe that's my role more now. So that I'm still able to share the benefits of this business from my perspective, from my story. But nakanga totoka kinabiyaw, the impact my story is gonna have on other women's stories. See, ausan nuitaka ni na viva ungitivikianda na ni rubital no kelia and singalivni. Pinakvalevulia.
Napalevu madam, napalevu na bosani be impulei kena be bagalo kangata ki be kemnya barong mai sin na ge barong me pamalua nita kaninda sana vingo tiko na bakasala mamona ta sa vingo mana singani ko ya ke bakao Osana noma mo sa toro mane kalawa mo mai teke buna no business siamo vea mai indikiaba mandanga ilio. Register mai vetartara ni be misrandon roke va muri misrandon tiko vetartara me bia ke va muri tiko mo register tane damo me raunio saravana ni to free info session. Free info session go ando live tiko yani boka ruana be madao na mai viti na be singa boka lulu ke na be singa boka rombuka ke baka tiko na sene buru barango be yao be singa tu siti ke na be singa tu lebo. Nagai pador tiko na singa ni mataka ya nyo register oti ke baka o sa rabara na webinar o sa na numa motor na kala tarava iko sana kai most kala tarava iko sana kai may really can mo learn in to business community you become a valid member, but to be a member you have to pay your membership fee. Membership fee go rote ti kondona roba sabul ka viwana ilavo ni America, which is about 350 360
Yeah,
Fiji
360.
na lavo ni viti na sosumi kemni na barong ti kumano bia baka matatatal ni kuwa senga nindo na sosumi na baka dore na paisa se Western Union na unisal ni bako ilabon ta kilato kenda na MoneyGram ke baka iko sando boli online ka man tonto boli baka na Amazon se dabatal na April 2 kenda ndombita na nanda card details batal nga ya na sosumi baka dore na laman ni tong business ngonyo so mo membership fee iko mana baka yang ataka men na mo Visa debit se Visa credit se Mastercard so talaga na vanuar san so kilati ko na bangatak na PayPal iko talaga ni baka ngatak na PayPal, that's it. Kaya baka watoran baka ito na itukot-tukon ni ito na business se ito na baka raw ni Bangare Labo message ni Beiko katukan ni Beiko na empaisa so dango na irang go era sarap baka ngatakatun na kaya mamitambo kaya menasada kan business ti ko baka samta ka bata sa teore ni post ka ti kwento misran rotron to sa baka ngata ka ti baka na ranan do aten to na itamba iyo ibati ko ya nakara ka to na scams iyo na kanga mostikina ni so sara sekal but sartu ngakin rasa mai veriti tu rasa biusende sartu ngar baka ngata ka to na pesa Vekito ke baka sana no mona tormena kalo vekito ena signi ona baka na pesa you will use your card so you have to have that Visa card merawan ya kina no sosomi lako mai mo mai member ni business community mai zakaba baka wati todo como reda na beka todo ko tikiloma sembera ni ongai torne kala mo sa zakaba no investment mo sangai mai torne mo business ID mai teke butal nga ndola be kona kena buli nyo sana register ko ngai ko register mai kina ko seranga go sana no business mento o ko iko ngai reach out tiko bi ko andro ngai vital no ena binna katalanganya toron doni tuku-tuku bango na bola mata na social media tabule man ro bengiriti satu na tule ndaro ni bengiriti kin kako ninda zaka tinga mai bana nandra message try to call ke baka lati tiko be ko koya se soli ulum baleti ko singi bina kat man ro bengiriti gorn don mesa sign tiko be ko that should be a red flag batsanona werango erna bunita tiko na matan resini bina kat mera lorai so iko nga dhaka no mabakatulo wa mata wikamo kakwenyo may bakadala itu semilusi na no musente perna scammers yo class ano ko mbaka mayabe ke raw babani nakatali bikem ni madam na namoni sole namoni nguna namoni may be wase bikem mamni kuwa katsabaka ni tiga ni baka ni na tas binakatik na namo bengarabi na namo business may namulo-mulo madam vivi wakati kuna na business may mbua o yote kwa ngo Canada business ngo ay vivi na pese buru todo ko ka sa kaitiko so kem ni natiko may viti on doktor wale ni tarong ko kem talaga viti kem ro ni garabong gori sa tungo na kena bakantin sa lebo talaga sa kacho madam mado maingo end of this month arna sota tiko kina na business owners may viti we also have this kind of events organized in our business community ngo na kaito to kin baka doriti ko na bula Saoti may Australia. Rala ko may kineso na business owners maybe. Rati ko may Melbourne. Na sota patabaya or to may bidi sarto organista nga ni sara lebo sarati ko. Sarto organista karna taka kinabuli na bikata lesor to sa zakabit ko na organizers. May bukira na business owners, online business owners. Era sa tiko raw lamang ko ba. Yo klasa no ko mbaka may bikiraw. Pinakatalo ba lebo bikem ni napakarong at ko may karosaban ni binakati ko yani ni taro mai ke bakani bia taro ka konyo ni rere bakana mona liba da tosa yani da tosa bata da tosa ilio da na buki kenda bakandu ndo buki nonda matabu bale buketa langana nonda banua na bale kero sana ba motel tiga yani ba motel tiga ni golia na banua Canada madam maimbua ni move ni kalongata
naka bale bu